Children, welcome to the online classes. In our earlier class, we read a lesson about a good citizen. So, what was that lesson about? There is one old lady in this lesson. So, this old lady's name was Mrs. Sood. So, every day she will be going outside. So, on that particular day also, she went to the market. She is very old lady. She went to the market, and when she went, she took an umbrella also with her. So when she was going or while she was coming back, what happened? She felt tired. So that's why she wanted to take some rest. That's why she sat on a table which is in front of a jewelry shop. In front of a jewelry shop there was a table, so she wanted to take rest for some time. So she sat on the table, and suddenly she observed that a white car has stopped in front of the shop, and a man who is tall, thin, covered his face. On his head he wore a hat, and his face and neck was covered with a scarf, and he was holding a big bag in his hand. He took one big stone from down, and he throwed it on the window, and because of it was a glass window, because of the stone the window was broken, and this man rushed into the shop from that window, and he went inside. He took all the jewelry, bangles, chains, everything, gold items, what all the gold items were there in the shop. He took everything he kept in his bag, and he wanted to run out. So the old lady was observing everything. So what she has done, she can't fight with that man. No, he is a thief. He might be having some some knife or anything with him which may harm that lady. But even though she don't have that much strength to fight with a young man, so what she has done, she thought, and with bravely what she has done, when that man was coming out of the shop, she took her umbrella and put the umbrella in front, and this man tripped and fell down. And by that time he fell down, this lady started shouting, thief, 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 thief. So all the people, and luckily there were two policemen who were going from that side. So the two men fast they came, runningly they came, and they caught this thief. And by that time even the shopkeeper also came to that place. He collected all his gold ornaments from the police, and he went to the old lady, and he thanked her by saying that you are very brave and clever, madam. If you were not there, I would be in a big loss today. So I am very thankful to you, and I wanted to give you a gift. So he was giving a gold ring from whatever the gold he got. So but the lady, she smiled and thanked that, okay, thank you for your gift, but I can't take that gift. I am a good citizen, and good citizen will not be paid for being good. I wanted to help. I can't see the thief who was stealing in your shop. So bravely I thought, and timely I thought, and I helped. So it is my duty to do all that things. So I don't want your gift. I am also thankful to you that you have recognized that I am a good citizen. I am a good citizen, and I don't need a gift for that. So in the same way, even we should also not think of gifts. Whatever is our duty, we should do all that things. Okay, this is about the good citizen, which we have already listened. So let us do the exercises of this. So In page number 102, we have some textbook exercises. Now here one vessel is given. Here see lived, climbed, reached, walked, looked, played. Sorry, lived, climbed, reached, walked, looked, played. So these words, whichever word is suitable in this blanks, we should fill. Okay, select suitable doing words from the was and fill in the blanks. We dash for your purse but could not find it. We dash for your purse. So we looked. We looked for your purse but could not find it. Many kings dash in forts and not in palaces. Many kings lived. 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 Many kings lived in forts and not in palaces. My friends played. My friends played football yesterday. My friends played football yesterday. The train dashed the station on time, but we were late. The train reached. The train reached the station on time, but we were late. Our cat dashed a tree and could not come down. Our cat climbed a tree and could not come down. We dashed to school in the rain. We walked. We walked to the school in the rain. We walked to the school in the rain. We looked for your purse but could not find it. Many kings lived in forts and not in palaces. My friends played football yesterday. The train reached the station on time, but we were late. Our cat climbed a tree and could not come down. We walked to school in the rain. Okay, complete this. Okay, now let us do page number 103. Use was or were in the blanks. Use was or were in the blanks. So first listen and understand, children, when you will use was and when you will use were. Was is for only singular, only one. For only one. Were is a plural, many. Was one, were many, plural. Okay. Yesterday dash my birthday. My means only one. So yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday. It is evening. The children are in the playground. In the morning, they dash at school. Children are many. So, were. Children are many. So, were. It is evening. The children are in the playground. In the morning, they were at school. The doctor is at home now. In the morning, doctor means only one. So he was at the hospital. The doctor is at home now. In the morning, he was at the hospital. Yesterday evening, our teachers are many, so were. Yesterday evening, our teachers were in the playground. Yesterday evening, our teachers were in the playground. We also many, more than one. We were in the playground too. We were in the playground too. Yesterday was my birthday. It is evening. The children are in the playground. In the morning, they were at school. The doctor is at home now. In the morning, he was at the hospital. Yesterday evening, our teachers were in the playground. We were in the playground too. Okay, complete. Next, it is afternoon now. It is afternoon now. Where were these people in the morning? It is afternoon now. Where were these people in the morning? In the morning. My mother means only one, no? So was in office. My mother was in office. Raj was in the playground. Our dogs means many, so plural, were. Our dogs were in the house. Seema was in the garden. My cousins means were, many. My cousins were in the park. My father was in the aeroplane. Okay, my mother was in office. Raj was in the playground. Our dogs were in the house. Seema was in the garden. My cousins were in the park. My father was in the aeroplane. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with another exercise. Have a good day.